Are you ready to enter into the game development industry? Would you like to gain a skill set that can help you bridge beyond gaming and into XR, mobile app development, enterprise app engineering, and more? Do you want to go beyond a hobbyist and be taken seriously as a legitimate developer? Well, we have an answer for you. At GamedevHQ, we have trained over 150,000 individuals to jump into the field of game development. Start this journey by joining GamedevHQ.com today and earn your game developer certification. Our course structure begins with the Introduction to Game Development, a 2D course aimed at gently introducing you to the basics of C# and Unity 3D. Continue on by taking the 2.5D side-scrolling adventure course, the 2D mobile games course, the Unity Profiler and Optimization course, and finally the first-person shooter course. We also encourage you to take the cinematography and the C# survival guide courses as well. The curriculum will tackle unique challenges that will develop your skill set without the spoon feeding or the repetition. You will not watch us build a game. You will build these games through instruction and then through course challenges. Upon completing the curriculum, your next challenge will be to earn your game developer certification. And to do that, you will need to show that you can do more than watch tutorials. You'll have to build a game within 3 to 5 days. This game will combine all of the techniques used through the courses, from player movements, weapon mechanics and upgrades, health and enemy damage, particles and post-processing, menus, UI, and more. There are 4 template choices, and you'll be supplied with all the assets that you need, as well as a game design document that will guide you through all the necessary requirements. You will script and build everything on your own, and you will be shocked to see how easy it has become. Once your game is submitted and accepted, you will earn your game developer certification. More importantly, you will have created your very first game in your portfolio. Now that you're a certified game developer, what do you do next? Take more courses? Yeah, surprise, we're not a course library. With GamedevHQ, you will learn to think like a software engineer, how to break game mechanics down to their smallest form, and permanently remove yourself from tutorial purgatory. After completing your certification, there is no next course. Start building your game. By joining GamedevHQ, you will get lifetime access to all current and future courses and 1-year access to community and Filebase, a collection of thousands of ready-to-go game assets, props, environments, characters, and more. Use these assets to create your next masterpiece, whether it's a 2D side-scroller, a first-person horror game, a third-person futuristic battle simulation, a real-time strategy game, or more. It's completely up to you. You now have the training, the assets, and the opportunity to build the game of your dreams. These are exciting times in the realm of software engineering and game development. Every day there are thousands of job openings for Unity game developers and devs specializing in app development, enterprise solutions, and XR. Take the first steps into this field, attain your certification, and start your journey down this new career path today with GamedevHQ.com.